YouTube, what up today? How y'all doing? Let's go on a ride. I decided to put you guys up on top of the head for this evening's ride, and then the audio is coming courtesy of my F1 field recorder. So let's check this out and see if this works or not. Let's kick it up a little bit. Looks like there's some animals back in here. Let's see if we can see them. Oh, some horses. What crap? I completely forgot to start recording my ride. So I restarted my phone and we're gonna try recording this again. I forgot to start recording it, but then when I got here and I remembered that, I tried to record it, my phone kept saying failed to receive GPS signal. So I restarted my phone and we're gonna attempt it again. Yes, it doesn't like the tree cover. Let's get over here, away from the tree cover. Now let's see what it'll do. Record. Okay. Well, there we go. There we go. I'm not gonna screw around with that anymore. It's not, for some reason, it's not recording, so we'll just continue on. Away we go. Maybe I should try and record it on my other phone. Okay, hold on 1 minute. Oh. Now that one's recording. Okay. For some reason, that one started all by itself. If that one starts in my pocket, great. Okay, looks like the one on my bike is recording now. I don't understand why. It started all by itself. I have the other one in my pocket. I don't know if it's recording or not either, so we'll just have to go and see. Well, I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's hit the road. Hello, ducks. And little baby ducks. Do you guys see that? There's ducks and little baby ducks. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's get out of here so that way mommy or daddy duck can bring the baby ducks up on shore. Oh! You guys okay? Woo! How about that? You guys were in the head mount. We just bunny hopped up the ledge back there, and I cased my rear tire just a tad. Still trying to figure this thing out. Well, you guys went flying. Okay, let's get going. No problem that time. You guys should always be wearing a helmet. If you're on a bike, have a helmet on. I don't care if you're just like, I'm screwing around in the grass. Please, put your helmet on. Isn't that just beautiful? We have beautiful mountains this way, and then we have our sunset this way. Hey, there's my home. Did you guys see it? So this is just kind of a maintenance ride. We need to be back for dinner, but otherwise we're good. We can be out and explore. Isn't that just a beautiful sunset? Looks like we have a couple of people and a couple of dollars, so we'll make our way through this and keep it going. Excuse me, on your left, please. Thank you. And that's how you do it. When you're passing people, you want to give them an audible cue that you're coming through, so that way they can move their butt on over. Some horse apples on the trail. The sunset is more shielded by these trees than I was expecting it to be. Every once in a while, like right here, oh, another tree's on the other side. Damn you, nature! Trail damage. Oh, yeah, I would say that's trail damage. I would say that is too. There's a nice gap. Okay, perfect. When they say trail damage, they mean it. Oh, it's sad. The end of the trail came up sooner than we expected it to there. Ugh. I'm in too high of a gear. Okay, gear problem fixed. Let's stop here for a moment. Enjoy this beautiful sunset. So let's check the other phone. This one's still recording. I guess I need to figure out how to easily bring my camera along on rides like this, because isn't this a beautiful shot? I would stack this shot probably to, actually no, 3 shots. A foreground of these, a more distant shot of that next set of trees there, and then my infinity shot out to the sunset. So this says 2 miles so far. So we probably have about 3.5 miles in altogether. Let's make sure everything's still going. Yeah, we're still recording down there. How are you guys doing? 59%. Woohoo! Beautiful sunset. We got color all the way across the sky. It's almost getting too dark for these glasses, but you gotta have some kind of glasses on your eyes when you're riding, otherwise you get a bug in your eye. And I'll tell you, a bug in your eyeball does not feel good. Let's get going. Get our cadence back up. Get this bike back moving. Here, let's bunny hop this. Again, let's get it a little bit more dangerous. How about this one? We made it. How about back? Woohoo! I crossed my feet a little bit there. What's up with everyone that we pass not having helmets on? On your left, thank you, thank you. Ooh, we did not clear that one. The tire survived though. That was a square edge. Thank you all for joining me this evening. This has been just a quick maintenance ride. I don't know how long of a video this is going to be for you guys, but it's at least a little bit of something. At least a pretty sunset to enjoy, isn't it? There comes the plane overhead. He's headed into the airport over there to go land though. Oh no, it's a helicopter. Okay, well, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you have something to say, throw in the comment section down below. Maybe me and you have a little bit of a discussion. If you'd like to share this video, then please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. I see you.